don't like the way I laced them. It's because I don't know if the laces just weren't long enough. I didn't have time to find those sale ones, like I said, on the IG Lives. Make sure you follow me on IG for the IG Lives. They're amazing. Yo, what's up? Peace. Love. I am focused today. Like Saturday, I'm right in front of Coati right here. And Coati. This is the last Doses and Mimosa, so I figured, I told him I'd show. Actually, I didn't tell him anything. I'm just showing up. That's real homie love right there. I'm just showing up. I think my man Craftmatic will be in here. You've seen him before. And my goal today is just to go in there, get some quick footage, get the sneakers on footed real quick, and then I'm gonna try to get something to eat and be out, because I heard the brunch is dope. I'm gonna go back up the street and try to do this pair. I know I'm getting a lot of dunks. We're gonna do this pair. That's really it. So if I can go get some food, go see my guy in there, go back downtown, do the other shoes, get the drone up, and call it a day on Easter. Because I was supposed to do all this yesterday and it just didn't work out. So it is what it is, and let's go up in here. Let's go be that guy that walks around with the camera up in here and they're like, well, what is he doing?
What's up with it?
There we go again, man.
How you doing, brother?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Hey, man.
So this is the last one?
Last one for a minute.
Okay.
Jay, they fixed it? They fixed it? What? Oh my God, thank God.
Let's do the crab fries.
Oh, unfortunately, we are out of crab this morning.
You guys are out of crab already?
Yeah, we ran out last night. Once it's ready, it's going to send you a text, and I'll have that right up here.
Gotcha. So it looks like I'm waiting on food, and I'm gonna eat, get that on feet, and head down the street. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys like and subscribe too, real quick.
Every speaker, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like nothing is set in stereo. So
Shit's fly.
Do that again, is that done?
yeah, it hurt.
I know
though.
that joint hurt like
Dog, this is
crazy.
the worst pain I've ever felt in my life.
Everybody's making money. Why are you worried about it?
Me here. I probably shouldn't do that, but I'm gonna do it.
Who's the devil right here? All my beats up on there, and they were like, yo, would you be down to make beats?
So like when you get a job, what does it like mean? Like
Wednesday we went to Denver. Thursday night, like I've done it every night, and I got done. So last night I was gonna start to like help around with it.
Oh man, I can already see it. I thought it was free parking. Oh man. What does that say? Violation or what? $20? $20 freaking dollars? I mean, it's not all the money in the world, but it's just the principle. I thought it was Sunday. I thought it was Easter. And I was good, but it turns out it was not good. So they told me to come around the back and get a spot back there. So I'm going to go back there and see what's good. But dang, man. Comac tried to warn me about this. And now we're here. All right, so I'm thinking back here. Reserved. What is he talking about? All right, I'm about to just back up and park somewhere real quick. And if there's a problem, I'll just move. Reserve 6. This does not look good. None of this looks good right now. Hold on. And then my car better be cool over there, man. It's hard to what? Don't get shot now.
Not to say that you're not.
Speak on it. Creating.
And then you gotta factor in like editing and all that other shit. So how much do you want to waste your time, I guess?
Excuse me. I'm chicken tenders. So this video is over. Chatted with the guys a little bit. Chatted about the next little event we're gonna do next weekend with Ninth Wonder and all those good guys. My man Illadope was trying to tell me that Ninth Wonder is a jerk. You know, I told him you won't be able to change my perception. Why am I holding this? You won't be able to change my perception of Ninth. Like, I'm a Ninth fan, a Crisis fan. You gotta realize, guys, I don't really get out very much. So yeah, I need to get out of this parking, man. I'm still kind of mad about this dumbass ticket. But it is what it is. And I'm gonna go down the street a little bit more so we can do these panda dunks. So peace, love, and light. Yeah, I'm trying to get off the streets, guys. I don't always want to be on the streets with the homeless shooting content. I mean, I love it. It's the rawest, but you know, that place is dope, man. They got good food too. Oh man. Whoop whoop. Yo, what's good, guys? Here's the unboxing part. Today it is like this is the second video for the day. I'm watching the NBA playoffs right now. The Warriors are cooking the Nuggets. It's 68-87, so we'll see what that turns out to be. So we have the COMME des GARÇONS, or COMME des GARÇONS. I don't know how to really say it, but here's the guy. His name is Otomo Katsuhiro. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. And this is one of my favorite animes ever. It came out in 1988. I think I've seen it in like 1995, but it was Akira. This guy, Katsuhiro, made Akira. I don't know if he made anything else, but he made Akira. So when I seen this box, I had to have the shoe. And I seen Chill's Kicks, Minor Kicks, and a couple others with the all green pair. So I was like, I gotta have the pair that has a little bit of blue on it. I don't know who that dude is right there. He wasn't in Akira, but he's probably in something else that the Katsuhiro guy made. So pulling these sneakers out, the first thing I noticed, especially on the green pair, the quality was just amazing. And from what I've been told, this shoe is not coming out anytime soon. I think it's just kind of like someone from the other company, the COMME des GARÇONS, is making these in different colors. There's 5 different colors, and hopefully I'll be able to get some of these colors. The suede on these it's not super transitional. It's in between transitional suede and that suede that's like on the Alma Mayer 3s. It's kind of like in between that too, which I just really love. And it's funny that a sneaker like this that has no plans to come out looks this good, and sneakers that do come out don't look this great. And I would say go a half size up if you get this sneaker. Just trust me. I love the inside out kind of tongue off-white style, but go a half size up, because I went with a 9.5, and I wish I had went with a size 10. I don't know what it is with the left shoe. It's just a little bit small. Like, I can live with it, but in the long run, and Curry's killing these dudes. In the long run, I probably won't be 100% satisfied. So I'll probably try to get the green pair in a size 10. But look at the toe box. Toe box is perfect. That's another reason why I wanted them, because the shape looks really good. The materials are kind of, they're kind of custom, but they're just amazing. I had to have them. I don't care if they're never going to come out. I wore them. Everybody at the Kawadi place was like, "Yo, those are dope. I love them." So yeah, there's a stamp. And I also noticed I could see the stamp when I looked at the bottom earlier without the black light. Like, I could see the stamp without the black light. There's leading lines on them. And when I see all that stuff on this particular pair, it doesn't really bother me at all, because they're never going to come out. So I'm just happy to have them. It's nice to have a shoe that has great quality like this. It kind of ties into Akira. That's also dope. I wanted one of those red bikes. That's kind of why I have like a red car. I don't know. Peace, love, and light. And I'm on to the next one, guys. Follow me on IG.